Welcome to this video, giving you an inside look at a day in the life of an Amazon warehouse operative in the UK as of 2026. The day begins early, arriving before the warehouse reaches its full operational capacity. It's an opportunity to prepare before the facility truly comes to life. Every shift starts with essential security procedures. Maintaining a professional atmosphere is key to ensuring a clean and organized working environment for everyone. Next is the daily stand-up meeting. Team leaders outline the day's targets and priorities, using digital performance screens and maps to ensure the team is aligned on our goals. Safety always comes first. Proper use of PPE, including safety shoes and vests, along with correct handling of scanning equipment, ensures everyone remains protected. Step inside the massive Fulfilment Center. It's a complex operation featuring endless aisles, advanced robotic systems, conveyor belts, and precision-stacked inventory. Now, it's time to get to work. Operatives pick up their scanners and tools, checking the digital screens for their specific assignments to start the day prepared. Orders start flowing in at a high volume. Digital screens update rapidly, allowing us to process thousands of online customer orders from across the UK every hour. This is product picking. Operatives use their scanners to locate items precisely from the tall shelving units, ensuring the right product is retrieved. In this environment, speed and accuracy matter. We rely on digital productivity indicators to track our performance, as every second counts towards our goals. Our smart warehouse systems are central to everything we do. Technology guides our movements, with handheld scanners directing us to the exact locations of millions of products. Automation is a huge part of our support system. Amazon robotics efficiently move inventory pods, bringing the shelves directly to the operatives. Keeping our stock organized is vital. Every item has a designated place, and our use of barcode labels and organized shelving allows for instant location checks. Accuracy is verified at each stage. Workers carefully inspect items to ensure the correct products are selected, maintaining professional quality control standards. Finally, we prepare customer orders for shipment. Packing stations are fully equipped with boxes, tape, and scanning systems to maintain a smooth and efficient workflow. Next, we move to secure packaging. We use an efficient process to pack products into boxes, ensuring every item arrives in perfect condition for our customers. Once packed, goods move through the network on automated conveyor belts. These massive systems carry hundreds of packages through the warehouse with precision. Sorting is essential for fast delivery. Both our employees and automated systems work together to route every parcel to the correct destination by delivery zone. Working together is what keeps operations running smoothly. Our diverse team supports one another every day to maintain a positive and productive workplace. Even during busy shifts, it is important to take time to recharge. Our modern break rooms offer coffee machines and comfortable seating for staff to relax. Handling high order volumes efficiently is critical. During peak hours, the entire warehouse floor buzzes with fast-paced, coordinated activity. We monitor productivity throughout the shift. Digital dashboards display key metrics and KPIs, helping our teams stay on track and meet their targets. Continuous training is key to developing logistics expertise. Employees receive guidance from supervisors and have ongoing access to digital learning stations. Every day can bring new situations. Our team leaders are always on hand to help operatives resolve issues quickly within a collaborative environment. As orders are finalized, they move to dispatch. Pallets are carefully staged in the outbound logistics area, making them ready for immediate loading. This is the final stage. Delivery vans and trucks are loaded as evening approaches, marking the successful completion of the day's operations. Wrapping up the day involves an end-of-shift routine. Employees return their scanners, log out of our systems, and complete the final handover procedures. It is more than just warehouse work. This role keeps the country moving. Every operative plays a vital part in the journey from shelf to doorstep. There is also plenty of room for growth. We offer clear pathways for operatives to progress their careers into supervisor roles and beyond. Thanks for watching this look at Amazon UK warehousing as of 2026.